Technology innovation can revolutionize the industry and challenge the status quo. Sungrow Samsung SDI has developed an energy storage system that is highly integrated, flexible, and easy to install and maintain. The ST548KWH-250 containerized ESS is a powerful solution designed for peak shaving, microgrid, demand management, and other grid supporting applications. These solutions are aimed at solving the challenge of mismatch between energy demand and generation. The 250 kilowatt to 548 kilowatt-hour energy storage system is compact. The all-in-one solution simplifies the installation process and minimized on-site labor. The key elements of the system solution are a Sungrow 250 kilowatt energy storage inverter and Samsung 548 kilowatt hours lithium battery packs. Simple integrated design includes storage inverters, lithium batteries, and all necessary safety components. The standard system is rated 548 kilowatts and is available in both 2-hour and 4-hour configurations. The SC250KU inverter complies with UL 1741 SA. High-efficiency cooling design, including separate vents for air intake and exhaust, prevents high-temperature failures. The battery packs are composed of lithium modules and designed for maximum longevity, high power density, and safe operation. The BCP battery distributor module can support multiple battery connections and integrate monitor modules. Air conditioning will be integrated in the factory and does not require on-site installation. Wall bracket air conditioning enables operation in harsh climates. Automated fire detection protocol ensures safe operation. The O&M interface can be accessed from outside of the container, making it easy for servicing and replacement of modules. A standard 5-year warranty is available, with an option to extend to 10 years. The system complies with UL 9540 requirements, which are mandatory for many projects located in North America. Sungrow Samsung SDI manufactures and integrates the key components of the energy storage systems. We are proud to be an innovative leader in this industry.